Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is CASB. Let's start it. CASB stand for Cloud Access Security Broker. It's a security solution that acts as an intermediary between user and cloud service to enforce security policies, monitor activities, and protect sensitive data. Key function of a CASB. First is visibility, monitor and logs user active across cloud services. Second is compliance, ensure adherence to regulatory requirements and organization policies. Third is data security, protect sensitive data through encryption, tokenization, and data loss prevention (DLP). Four is threat protection, detects and responds to cyber threats such as malware and ransomware. Five is access control, manage user access and authentication to cloud services. CASB has provided a range benefits included. First is enhanced security and compliance. Second is improved visibility and monitoring. Third is data protection and encryption. Four is threat detection and response. Five is simplified access management. CASBS can be deployed in various modes, including first is inline proxies traffic between use and cloud services. Second is API based integrates with cloud services via APIs. Third is log based, analyzes log data from cloud services. Leading CASB vendors included. First is Netscopy. Second is Semnetic. Third is MCAFE. Four is Bit Classes. Five is CISCO Cloud Log. CASBS supporting a wide range of cloud services included. First is SaaS software as a service application. Second is IaaS infrastructure as a service platform. Third is PaaS platform as a services environment. By implement a CASB, organization can effectively manage and secure their cloud using reducing the risk of data breach and cyber attacks. Here are some additional aspects of cloud access security broker CASBS. First is the shadow IT detection. CASBS help identify unsanctioned cloud application used within an organization. Second is data encryption. CASBS can encrypt sensitive data stored in cloud services. Third is access control. CASBS provide granular access control including user authentication and authorization. Four is active monitoring. CASB monitor use active across cloud services, detecting anomalies and potential threats. Five is complaints reporting. CASBS generate reports to help organization meet regulatory requirements. Six is cloud security posture management. CSPM. CASBS access and remediate security risk in cloud configuration. Seven is secure data sharing. CASBS enables secure data sharing and collaboration across cloud services. So it is integration with existing security tools. CASBS integrate with existing security tools such as IAM, SIEM, and DLP. Nine is machine learning and AI advanced. CASB leverage machine learning and AI for enhanced threat detection and predictive analytics.